If you know me, you'll know that every single bike that I get eventually gets a seat cover. As you can see on the Razor, we have a Guts seat cover installed, and the XXX is gonna be no different. So today, we've got a Guts Racing seat cover that we're gonna install. Now, real quick for some of those that don't know, the whole point of a seat cover is just to give you additional grip on the seat. If you're to sit on a stock seat like this, it's super easy to slide around, especially if you're up doing a wheelie. It's easy to slide off. So the material on this new seat cover should help lock me in a little bit better, just as it does on the Razor. Okay, to start, we have 1, 2, 3 little bolts to take out to get this ignition cover off. All right. That comes right off. This then gives us access to a little bolt and Allen here that we need to take out to remove the seat. So guys, on the bike you will see we have a small little nut here that we're just gonna hold with some needle nose pliers, and on the other side we just have an actual Allen key that we will thread out. Okay guys, with the ignition switch cover off and this bolt out, the seat should be able to come up. All we're gonna have to do at this point is just undo these screws and disconnect the seat. We should be able to do all of this without taking the subframe off. The other people I've seen do this always take off the subframe, and you don't need to. So real quick guys, for the record, Guts sent me out this seat cover for free, which is dope. They did the same thing with the Razor, so super dope company, no questions asked. I'm just looking here to see where the seat comes up. I think all we have to do is just remove like these bolts here, and then it should be able to come off. But anything's better than like removing everything. Here we go. All right, we're just gonna take out these 4 Allen bolts. Lastly, we're just gonna take out these 2 bolts that hold this in, and then we should have the seat. Okay guys, please excuse the mess that is my house/kitchen, but fun little thing right now to show you quick. We do have a new member of the Connor G Media channel. A little kitten! This is Pia. She's 2 months old, and she's adorable, and she's gonna be helping with the bike work, so put you down. Now with this seat, typically people will remove all the staples, pull off the stock seat cover. What I'm going to do instead is put this over top of the stock cover, because I'm hoping that'll give it just a little bit more padding and just make it a little bit more comfortable. So hopefully it should fit fine. Now you will need a staple gun. I learned after doing 2 bikes with a normal staple gun, I wanted a powered one. So we have an electric staple gun. You just put it on it, press the button, it goes kaboom, and it works. So I'll preface all this with saying I suck at putting on seat covers, but only get better at stuff by doing it, so we're gonna try our very best. Guys, we are chugging along, and holy hell, I cannot emphasize enough how good it is to have this. You just place it down, and the light goes green, you pull the trigger, it's nothing, it puts all the pressure into this. If you do it yourself, you have to like push down really hard on it and try and push the lever down with like a traditional staple gun, so just buy this. It was like $29 on Amazon. I'll link it down below in the description. Okay, y'all, here she is. I used a lot of staples, as you can tell. There's a couple spots that look a little rougher than others, but you won't see any of this, obviously. So, you know, there's a couple creases, but that's just how this is. The texture of it being black also kind of hides it. So let's put this on the bike. All right guys, here she is. She looks pretty dang good. There's a couple wrinkles in it, but that's just how it is sometimes, how it be. But I think it came out pretty good. But now the most important thing is, let's test it, see how it works. Oh my goodness guys, let's pop a wheelie, see how this thing feels. Oh my god, it's just like effortless. Like you sit on the seat and you just don't move. Like oh, there goes my front wheel stopping again. But literally, like, it's crazy. It's so much less effort, because when you have the stock seat cover on, you're sliding off. So I'm like really locking my feet and holding onto the bar super hard. So that's what's important with the seat cover. Also, if you do like any type of off-road riding or anything like that, it's also going to help you just grip the bike better. So hand drag should be helped significantly now. Oh yeah, we gotta see how it feels for Ninox. Oh, so much grip. So much grip. Holy quad. Oh, that was scary. Anyways. Woo! Yeah, guys, these seat covers, though, they're just gonna make a big difference in terms of grip on the seat. Like, no foot lock, one hand, you're staying locked in. Now, one thing I will say is, these are pretty aggressive, so over time, your butt is gonna start to hurt, but that's just how it is when you have a grippy seat cover. Like, that's just how it works. Install is not bad. Like I said, just get a powered stapler. It'll work a lot better. Yeah, it feels great. Looks sweet, too, is the biggest thing, so. But they're very well worth it. It's a big mod that helps way more than you probably even would realize. They have some sort of event going on up here, I think this weekend. I don't know what, but getting more used to those right-hand turns. What's up? Sorry, I was blasting music. What'd you say?
I'm sorry, this is a construction spot. We're not having.
Oh, yeah, I got you. I'll go out. See, guys, like, if they're super respectful to you, like, I'm never going to be a d unless they just act outright like a big d. So, here's a nice little spot. This will probably be the thumbnail. Let's give it a go, baby. No bag on, this should help. Whew. Can I help you? Oh, I'm sorry. I wasn't sure if you were eyeing it. I'm like, is he trying? Does he want to take it? Oh.
Mostly trying to not get hit.
Okay, sorry. Have a good one. Just give me a weird look. But yeah, guys, I mean, the seat just really freaking locks you in. Like, let's get a nice long one-hander. That wasn't long, but it just locks you in, and like, it literally takes a lot of the fatigue and the stress off of your legs and fingers or hands holding onto the bars and bike. Like, oh, I want to pull so hard that. Ready? This is my version of the pull so harding it. Wow, that was crazy. Working on the swerves. Whoa! Just eat it right as I say that. Woo! Now we're getting cozy on it, splitting between cars. Let's go this way. So definitely go check out Guts Racing. Like I said, I've had their covers on my old 250, on my Razor, now, and now on the XXX. Woo!